Let me show you how simple it is to grow lion's mane mushrooms right in your own urban space. No garden required. This mushroom is packed with brain-boosting benefits, and I'm about to guide you through every step. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll see just how easy this can be. First up, setup. Lion's mane mushrooms love a cozy, low-light, and humid spot, so a basement, garage, or even a shaded corner indoors is perfect. No fancy equipment needed. Ideal temps, anywhere between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're new to this, grab a simple grow kit, or if you want to DIY, a plastic tub with a layer of damp perlite at the bottom works as a homemade fruiting chamber. Just add a few small ventilation holes and you're set. Now for the substrate. This is where lion's mane gets its nutrients. They love hardwood sawdust, specifically oak or beech, which makes them super adaptable to urban settings. Mix in a bit of bran for that nutrient boost and sterilize it by boiling or pressure cooking. Keeping things clean here is the key to success. When your substrate has cooled, it's time to inoculate it with lion's mane spawn. This is as simple as mixing the spawn into your substrate with clean, gloved hands. Once mixed, seal the container and pop it into that dark, cozy spot for 2 to 3 weeks. During this incubation, you'll notice the substrate turning white as the mycelium grows. Handle it gently at this stage. Disrupting the mycelium can slow growth or lead to contamination. When your substrate is fully colonized, move it into your fruiting chamber. Keep the humidity high, around 85%, with a light daily mist, but avoid drenching the substrate. In a week or so, you'll start to see the first signs of small clusters forming. Here's a pro tip. If you spot tiny teeth-like growths, trim them lightly with sterilized scissors. This encourages larger clusters, giving you more for your harvest. Harvesting is easy. Pick them when the edges begin to flatten for peak flavor and potency. Now, what makes lion's mane worth it? Besides looking like something from another world, it's renowned for cognitive benefits, potentially supporting memory and reducing inflammation. And the taste? Think savory and crab-like. You're not just growing food, you're growing an ingredient with amazing health benefits. To ensure your grow stays healthy, be diligent with cleanliness. Handle your tools with clean hands and avoid over-misting to prevent mold and bacteria. Remember, sterilizing your substrate at the start is the best way to keep contamination away. So there you have it, a foolproof, easy approach to growing lion's mane mushrooms indoors. Imagine the recipes, the brain-boosting benefits, and the pride of growing your own. If you're as excited as I am, hit subscribe for more easy urban farming tips and share this with anyone who'd love to grow their own mushrooms at home. See you next time.